Anyway, Tesla shares are surging after the company's 5-for-1 split took effect yesterday. We all knew this was coming, but trading, as you might have anticipated, was a little heavier than normal during Monday's session. Tesla shares changed hands 115.6 million times. That is well above its 30-day volume average of about 73 million. Also, the stock rose by about 12.5% during yesterday's session. With today's move, the stock is actually sitting at a position of annual gains, yearly gains more than 530%, and the company's market cap crossing $464 billion, passing Visa to become the 7th largest U.S. company. And with that stock move, Elon Musk, by the way, he becomes the 3rd richest person in the world, at least on paper. Check that out. Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, then Elon Musk, then Mark Zuckerberg. Shares of Apple also getting a boost on stock split day. Oh, go ahead.
I was just going to say, the crazy thing is, in terms of year-to-date, obviously plus more than 400%, 80% now with this morning's 6.5% gain, or 79%, since they announced the stock split on just August the 11th. I mean, unbelievable. And the big difference between the last couple of trading days, yesterday and today, of course, is anyone that was critical of the idea of rallying so hard on a stock split and that this would be a sort of buy the rumor, sell the fact type moment has also been proven wrong. It rallied strongly yesterday, the day of the stock split taking hold, and also rallied, clearly it's going to rally today. The one other thing that I thought was quite amusing is if you use Google Finance, that stock chart didn't incorporate the stock split, and some people yesterday on Twitter, retail investors, getting very worried that they thought their Tesla share price had collapsed massively from well over 2,000 to down 500. And some people having some fun on Twitter about that. People worried that their recent investment had collapsed roughly to a fifth of the level that it had been, and not realizing that the stock split had taken hold. Instead, it was up 12% yesterday.
Yeah, well, they should be watching CNBC. I mean, and use the CNBC app, by the way, which is free to download and is a great app.
Awesome. Yeah.
That aside, I talked to a trader last night who deals with shorting Tesla. He said, whenever you have a stock split, and I think Art Cashin said this yesterday on air as well, whenever you have a split, if you have a stock that is heavily shorted, you got all kinds of problems because people have either put it into a basket of derivatives or they have some sort of a special financing plan on their short. So when you announce a split, it can throw things a little bit, I guess the technical term is haywire. And so this guy was spending pretty much all day yesterday trying to redo deals on Tesla shorts. I'm not talking about, a guy trying to short 5 shares. I'm talking about huge companies either shorting it or putting it in a basket of derivatives or a Delta One type product or whatever it might be. And so that might just be, if you are long Tesla, just know that pops some of that. I won't call it short covering because that's not what it is, but certainly the redoing of deals of people who are long or heavily done Tesla shorts. It's a very inexpensive stock to short, believe it or not, because nobody wants to get in front of a moving freight train.